Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, friends. Now we are going to start again geography. In history, in SS, we have completed all the chapters. Now let's start the water resources. So water is also considered as a resources. Reason is that children, whatever other characteristics of wealth or resource have, the same characteristics water also have. Okay. So frequently we listen this word, this statement from our elders that water is the life. Jad age Jeevan. Okay. So how much essential it is and how we have to utilize, how to conserve the water. The different pattern related to this chapter we will try to understand. So let's start it. There is water, hence there is a life. Any type of life cannot be imaginated on the earth without the water. There is no other option of water resources. The list of the uses is very long. The different multi-purpose uses are there. Water. Entire biotic world use water and sustain himself. The prosperity of any nations depend on agriculture and amount of water is used in it. Water is also required for drinking, domestic use and in industries. Water shortage is being created because of the rate of volume at which being used by increasing population for the development project. With consideration, it is necessary to use water sparingly. Water is limited resources. No other resources can be used in its places. If water exists, it is because of water. So water is an inseparable part of life. पानी जिंदगी का अभिन्न अंग है. अगर पानी नहीं होगा जिंदगी नहीं चलेगी. हमारे डेली रूटीन में, इंडस्ट्रीज में, एग्रीकल्चर में, everywhere we need the water, and that's why we have to systematically utilize the water. Water is a resource. So three sources of water are there: rainwater, surface water and groundwater. Rainwater is the main source from the oceanic current and the evaporation process water has formed. Okay, and that water again received through the river, lakes, streams, okay, automatically underground also. Okay, so first one is the rainwater. Rain is the original source of water on the earth. River, lake, streams, well are the secondary sources. Surface water. The water on the surface, the earth, is found in the form of river, lake, pond, sea, streams. It is called the surface water. River are the main source of surface water. Next, groundwater. Groundwater is an important place among the source of water. Groundwater is obtained due to the process of water absorbed in the lower strata of the land. The volume of groundwater is limited. In the northern plain of India, there are about 42% of groundwater. In southern India, there is a less groundwater because it is a peninsula area. Okay, and almost upper crust is the hard stone, so water is not absorbed by earth in deep. Plateau and mountain region groundwater is utilized maximum for irrigation. Now, what are the uses of water? Let's see it. First is the irrigation. 84% of the water in India is useful for irrigation. 1500 liter of water is required to produce of 1 kg wheat, paddy, jute and sugarcane crop require more water. Water is being used in the irrigation since ancient time. The 2nd century, the famous Grand Canyon Canal was constructed on the Kaveri River. In 1882, the Eastern Yamuna Canal was constructed in Uttar Pradesh. There are three medium of irrigation in India: well and tube well, canal, ponds. On the other, well and canal are major medium of irrigation. Canal and pond can come to second and third place respectively. Canal irrigation is practiced on vast plain of Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna and also the delta region of Mahanadi. Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri in eastern plain. Well and tube wells are common to alluvial plain in northern India especially. Irrigation by pond and protected form of the eastern and southern steppes. Multi-purpose project. Most important question in your syllabus, in your lesson, that is the multi-purpose project. Project which is developed by government to fulfill the more than one purposes. That is the multi-purpose project. Suppose एक रिवर के ऊपर डैम बिल्डअप किया तो उससे कितने बेनिफिट्स हो गए? एक तो फ्लड कंट्रोल हुआ, इरिगेशन के लिए पानी मिला, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर मिला, इंडस्ट्रीज को वाटर मिला, ओके, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में मदद मिली, फिशिंग कर सकते हैं, ओके, टूरिज्म डेवलप कर सकते हैं, बेस्ट एग्जांपल सरदार सरोवर, ओके, तो कितना सारा काम आप एक साथ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज क्लियर. So it is a multi-purpose project. So many large and small river flow in India. Water transport is very rich in India. This is because the physiography in such many rivers merge into the river and empty the water into sea with the idea that the water may be harnessed or various places. Multi-purpose projects are planted in many rivers. Multi-purpose project means to solve the various problems associated with the river valley. It includes the flood control, prevention of soil erosion, water for drinking, irrigation, industries, water provide for the settlement, generation of electricity, internal water transportation, environmental, life protection and development of fisheries. आपके पेज नंबर 91 में मल्टीपर्पज प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया में कौन कौन सी रिवर पे कौन कौन से डैम बिल्डअप किए हुए हैं, डेफिनेटली आप लोग पढ़ना. नेक्स्ट इज योर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एरिया अंडर इरिगेशन. मैं जब मैप करवाऊंगा तब आपको इसको एक्सप्लेन करके दूंगा. देयर आर द डिफरेंस रिगार्डिंग द एरिया अंडर द इरिगेशन इन एवरी स्टेट. कोस्टल डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन आंध्र प्रदेश, डेल्टा रीजन ऑफ गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी, महानदी इन ओडिशा, कावेरी डेल्टा इन तमिलनाडु, पंजाब, हरियाणा, वेस्टर्न यूपी आर reason of incentives irrigation of the country. After independence, irrigated area India has increased 4 times. Irrigation is practiced in about 38% of the new sown area. There is a difference of the irrigated as a difference state. The Mizoram 7.3 area of the total area sown under the irrigation, while 90.8% in Punjab, where the vast difference between the total area under the irrigation with the total sown. More than 40% area are the total area sown in under irrigation in Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu and Manipur. Here we have completed one part. Next part, which is the water crisis, that I am going to explain you in next lecture. Okay, bye. See you all of you.